My name is Lois Varughese. I'm one of the associate attorneys here at the Rosenblum Law Firm, and we're so thrilled that you decided to reach out to us in regards to your legal matter. I did my undergrad at McMaster University. After that, I subsequently moved to the US and did law school at Hofstra University in Long Island. So I think at a very young age, I fell in love with the area of law just at a basic level when it came to TV shows or reality shows. I remember in high school that I took law-related courses. The main thing really is that I get to help people. That's always something that I've wanted to do, and it's really great that I'm able to tie my passion for the legal profession as well as my passion for helping people all into one, and be able to do that every single day. So I love to travel. I think that anytime I get time away from work, I try to plan a trip. I think it's just one way for me to explore what the world has to offer. At a basic level, when people come in with their legal issues and their concerns, it's a good opportunity for us to be able to relate to them. And this job really helps us to do that. And I think that's what sets us apart from a lot of other law firms, because we take this very seriously as though it were our own issue.